Okay, today is June 25th, 2020. Here we are on this really nice Starcraft Starfished 226 RECR. My wife's on board, gonna take it for a little lake test. This boat does have the Mercury Pro Max XS 200 horsepower outboard with the ski tow bar and everything. It's got two fishing seats back here. Nice bimini. The interior is virtually perfect, no rips, no tears, as you can see. Nice and really good interior. Got the table, of course. It's got storage underneath everything. Let's pull this up. Lots of storage for life jackets under all the seats and this compartment right here. Storage up underneath there. Captain's chair, perfect, no rips, no tears, no wear and tear or anything. Really, really nice boat. Lots of storage. AM/FM sound system. Does have a Humminbird GPS system. Full tank of fuel too. Nice clean boat. All right, next video, gonna take it out and run it.